Hi friends, how are you? My name is P. Sanjeev Pirmal. My department is BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Okay, let's go physics case study. Today talking about by quantum laser is new generation laser. The quantum well laser. Introduction. A quantum well laser is a laser diode is which is the active region of the device. In so narrow the quantum confinement occur. Laser diode are formed in component semiconductor material that quite unlike silicon are able emitted light efficiently. The wavelength of the light emitted by a quantum well laser is determined by width of the active region rather than just the band gap of the material from which is the constructed. This means that much shorter wavelength can be obtained from quantum well laser than from conventional laser diode using a particular semiconductor material. The efficiency of a quantum well laser is also greater than a conventional laser diode due to the stepwise form its density of state function. Okay. Second, origin of the concept of the quantum wells. In 1972, Charles H. Henry, the physicist and newly appointed head of the Semiconductor Electronics Research Department at Bell Laboratories, had been keen interest in the subject of integrated optics, the fabrication option circuit in the which is light travel in waveguides. Later that year, well, in the penetrating U physics waveguide, Henry had a profound insight. Realized that doublet height structure is not only waveguide for light waves, but similarly for electron waves. Henry was a drawing upon the principle of quantum mechanics, according to which is electrons behave both as particular as waves. He precipitated a completed analogy between the confinement of light by a waveguide and the confinement of electron by potential well that formed form of different band gaps in a double heterostructure. C.S. Henry realized that just as there are trajected model which is light travel within a waveguide, the should discredited electron wave function models in the potential will each have a unique energy level. Third, experimental verification of quantum worlds. Early 1973, Henry proposed Raymond diagonal physicist his department that look of their predator steps. The very thin heterostructure were made by Williman using molecular beam epitaxy. The trimexity effect of the step was observed in using ensuing experiment published in 1974. 4. Invention of the quantum well laser. After this experiment showed the reality of the predicted quantum well energy level, Henry dared to think an application. He realized that quantum well structure would alter the density of state of semiconductor and result in an improved semiconductor laser recruited favor electrons and electron hole research layers their hold. Also, he realized that the laser wavelength could be changed merely by changing the thickness of thin quantum well laser, where in the conventional laser change wavelength require a change in layer composition. Such a laser he reasoned would have a superior performance characteristics compared to standard double heterostructure laser began mad time the time. Tinkle and Harry received patentation of the new type of semiconductor laser comparison pair of with bandgap layer having an active region sandwiched between them, which is the active laser and the encode. Two separated quantum level electrons confined therein. The laser encrypted wavelength, tunability, changing the thickness of the active laser. Also described in the possibility the threefold reduction resulting from modification of the density in the electron state. The patent was issued of September 21, 1976, estimated quantum effect heterostructure laser. US patent number 3982207. Quantum well laser recruited favor electrons and holes reach their hold than conventional double structure laser. A well designed in the quantum well laser can be have an inherently low threshold current. Moreover, since quantum efficiency photons out per electrons in which is rarely limited by optical observation by the electron and hole, very high quantum efficiency can be achieved in quantum well laser. 5. Quantum dot laser. The quantum dot laser is semiconductor laser that uses quantum dot as active laser medium. In the lighting emitted due to tight conformed charge of carriers quantum dots, they accepted in the electron structure, similarly atoms. Laser fabricated from such as active mid-accepted devices. Performance that closer gas laser and awaited some of the negative offset device performance associated with transitional semiconductor laser based bulk or quantum well active media. Improvement in modulation bandwidth lasering their hold relative intensity of nines. Line with enhanced factor and temperature intensity have all been observed. The quantum dot active region may be also enriched observed different wavelength varying dot and composition. The allows quantum dot laser behind segregated operated and wavelength previously not possible using semiconductor laser technology. The device based in the quantum dot active media now found of commercial application in medicine, laser scalable optical engrams tomography, display technology, production, laser DV and spectrography and telecommunication. Thank you.